Oh my God! Let's move back, shall we?
Well, still not blow it up.
Top Gear would be proud of you.
Look.
Gas? Propane, diesel, gas, anything that's bad basically.
See there, Bennett, are you?
She only just decided to go though, didn't she?
Yeah, in a minute there's going to be a pressure wave, we'll all fall over, and then you'll see the flame.
The thing is, it's contained, though, so you can't get the oxygen in, can it? Once the oxygen
Now, how do you make a bomb? Contain the explosion.
Yeah. Who's standing by the barbecue?
Are they mad?
All I want to see is a piece of pallet go for the blue.
Oh, I'm really glad it lit really well. There goes the window, look.
Clarkson would be proud of you, Jonathan.
Hey?
Clarkson would be proud of you. Here it goes.
Fireworks going off.
Oh! It's not that environmentally friendly, is it?
Yeah, I know as well.
Those people are quite brave.
Well, they don't realise what's going on.
Is there more explosives in there? Or?
The windows are open. So the windows are ripping.
Not enough oxygen.
Did you drill some holes in the floor? With a chainsaw?
Yeah.
They're all getting their sausages. Look, they stood right next to them. I don't think I'd stand that close.
This is survival of the fittest.
Oh look, it's going to go.
There's someone walking around the back of the store.
Look, they're walking towards it.
There's the window, look.
What are they bloody doing?
Who are they?
I don't know, but there's...
Oi!
Get out of the
Get out
way!
of the way!
There's explosives in there!
Who is it?
Oh, I don't mind.
If you know Jamie long enough, you know to stand back, whatever he does. So it's survival of the fittest, isn't it?